We are waking up to a rainy morning this morning. It was raining most of the night last night. Forecast is for passing showers, but it's seeming pretty consistent right now. So, we get some coffee going. Alright, here's what we're working with. I'm going to top that off with a little bit of cheese. Some fresh tomato, and we might as well go with a little sauce. I did season the pork and potatoes with a little bit of cayenne pepper, so we already got some heat. I'm just going to go with a little bit of sauce. This up proper. There we go. How does that look, guys? Dang. All right, let's give it the taste test. I'm pretty sure this is going to be good. Got potatoes, pork, onion, egg. What else we got on there? Some cheddar cheese, sliced fresh tomato, a little bit of sauce. Dang. Well, it was a cold, wet morning here in Stowe, Ohio at Silver Springs Campground. This was a great spot. I spent a total of 3 nights here. It was $15 a night, and that included an electrical hookup, which I did use for my little ceramic heater. It's been pretty chilly. I think it's only 50 degrees today. Kind of a misty, cold morning, but it's time to move on. The adventure continues. Brr, it is cold today. Can't warm up. Get this heater going in the van. Oh, this was a cool spot. I'm glad I came through here. Got to visit the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Great place to explore. And actually, I spent most of the day yesterday just hanging out at camp. It was rainy and cold, so I just kind of hung out in the van, watched some movies, which I rarely do. It's nice to have a little downtime after spending quite a few days doing long days of driving. So we'll get back on the road. I'm going to probably just drive for a couple hours, maybe 2.5 hours. Got a Flying J truck stop mapped out. I looked at it on satellite view to make sure it had a good big parking lot. It looks like it does. It's right off of Interstate 80, which is what I'll be using to get into Pennsylvania. Ready to do this. Thank you, Stowe, Ohio. Had a great stay here. Away we go. Pennsylvania, pursue your happiness. Goodbye, Ohio. Looks like a decent sized parking lot at the TA. Check out this Flying J, see what it looks like. They got plenty of room here. Yeah, we'll go over in the back of the lot here. This will work. Take this side spot. Not the most level. TA wasn't very level either. Yeah, I'm ready to be done driving. A little after 6 p.m. This will be our spot for the night. Well, I'm here at the Flying J getting settled in for the night. I went into the store to actually get some snacks, and I just asked about if there was a wait for a shower. I was kind of considering it. I usually don't do that because it's $12, and the woman at the counter said it was free shower day and kind of winked at me, so I don't know if she was just being nice or it really is free shower day, but I got a nice hot shower for free at the Flying J here in Brookville, Pennsylvania. Nice. Well, we are waking up here at the Flying J truck stop in Brookville, Pennsylvania. Very quiet here. This was one of the more quiet truck stops I've been to. I find that when the truck area and the regular car parking area are on opposite sides of the building, makes it for a lot more quieter night. Although I am kind of right by the highway, it was still fairly quiet here. It's cold though. It's about 31 degrees. I don't know if you can see, but we're getting a slight snow flurry here. A little chilly. I do have a thermometer inside the van van. I just picked one up recently, and I've got 41 degrees inside the van without any heat or anything, although it's probably cooling down with the door open. So I'm gonna go get inside. I went into the store at the Flying J to get a cup of coffee. I figured since I slept here, I'll throw them a little money. I did get the free shower last night, which was amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get organized here and get the van started up. I'm gonna fuel up and then head out. Let's do this. I drive about 25 miles to a Walmart, stock up on supplies before I get to my next camp. I'm going to be staying at a campground in a town called Benton, Pennsylvania. A viewer subscriber of mine reached out to me. He actually, him and his father own a campground there, and he invited me to come stay there. So I'm going to stay for a few days. He's right next to a state park. It's got a bunch of waterfalls, so it just sounds like a nice area. And it'll be great to meet up with him. I'm going to get back on Interstate 80. Man, it's starting to warm up here and get the heater going. My hands are a little chilly. And away we go. Hey, the sun is coming out. Nice. You see a little bit of blue sky up there. That's a welcome sight. This little town of Lairdsville, Pennsylvania. Check this out. Wow, look at these old homes. I think that's about it for Lairdsville. Red Rock, that's where we're heading, 17 miles. Well, here we are. Red Rock Campground. That'll be our stop. Jeez. Came out a little too fast. Well, let's see where we can check in here. Wow, this is a neat place. We are right up in the hills. Office. We'll stop here, see if anyone's around. Well, made some contact here. I'm gonna get a little tour of the place. Met a guy, fellow that reached out to me, so he's doing some groundskeeping here. So I'm gonna hop out, do a little tour, and we'll check back in a little bit. Well, we'll give you a shot of my camp here. The sun is just poking through the clouds. Awesome. The van right here, I was able to get pretty level actually. Not bad. Just got to give a big thank you to Guy for reaching out to me and inviting me up to their campground. This is Red Rock Mountain Campground in Red Rock, Pennsylvania. Very cool. So I've been driving for a few hours, so I need to get some lunch in me. I'm going to see what I can rustle up here and probably just kick back and relax for a few. And then I might do a little exploring around here this afternoon. Well, this is lunch today. I'm doing a Frito pie. It's Fritos corn chips with some chili, cheese, and some diced up onions. So good. Alright, well, we're going to do a little exploring over to the state park. Guy is going to drive, so I'm going to leave the van here at the campsite. And this is kind of a new to him van. He's getting ready to do some converting on it. So he's going to drive us into the state park. What's up, Guy?
Hello there.
He's got his dog, Abigail, on the back.
Let's go.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so we're just going to drive around the park and check out the waterfalls. That's kind of their claim to fame. It's Rickets Glen State Park in Red Rock, Pennsylvania. Gotta remember where I'm at. This is one of the first falls we're checking out. I'm up above. It's pretty here. Look at this. Wow. they have no swimming signs posted all around here. The guy was saying during the summer months, people still swim anyway. And this is a popular spot for people to jump off. It's a nice deep pool down there. Really nice. Love all the fern. What you got there? All right, well, we took a little drive down a dirt road. We're over here at Lewis Falls. This is quite a ways down dirt road. We're not in the state park anymore. This is actually what they call state game land. State game land, I think it's 13. And this is looking amazing so far. Wow, look at this. Ready? Woo! Nice. Yeah, cool. Making our climb out of here. Well, our thunderstorm passed over. We actually got sunshine and some blue skies poking through. Invited Guy over to do a little cookout, so he's getting the fire going.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Wood got a little wet, so we're slow going here, but we think it's gonna catch.
It's gonna go.
So I've got some patties, burger patties made up. I put them back in the fridge. We're gonna do burgers over the fire and get some onion, tomato sliced up. That'll be dinner. All right, look at those. Looking good so far. Doing a little flame broil. Okay, here's what we ended up with. We toasted up some sourdough over the fire and put a little cheese, sliced onion, tomato, some mayo. Guy's got his. What do you think?
It looks fantastic. I can't wait. I'm tired of waiting.
All right, let's dig in.
So how is it?
I think that's a good sign. Mm-hmm. Nice, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone is doing well out there. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.